y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video for you, and it's just my weekly cleanup of my bedroom. I have so many of these, but it's something that I do every week, and I decided to go ahead and film it for you. This is going to be a collab with the wonderful Pam from Tailor Made Mom, my beautiful friend from Ireland, and so many other women. So be sure whenever you get done with this video and you like it, give it a thumbs up, go down below and check out the playlist, because there's going to be several of us doing cleaning video collabs. And then at the end, there's going to be a little something special, so be sure you stay tuned. As you can see, the Sleep Number bed is really hard to make up. It's not easy, but it is a really comfortable bed, so just gotta roll with it.
A lack of faith. While the time was running out for me, there's no escape from the mess I made. But when you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun, shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your...
And here's the reason that I didn't get a lot done in a short amount of time. Even though this video is sped up, it did take me a good 4 or 5 hours to get you 18 minutes of film. So yeah, Maggie, my little sidekick, y'all.
Slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that
Okay, to clean with today, I'm going to be using the Caldrea sea salt and neroli, and this makes the house smell absolutely wonderful.
the love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming.
I just recently became a dun hunter, as they're called, and these are Ray Dunn pieces, and I really am enjoying finding them. They're kind of things that you find that are obscure, but they're just pieces with words on them. And I found this tray and I really love it. It says trinkets. That's where I display our perfumes and colognes. So yes, I'm officially a small dun hunter.
It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. I'm in love. Deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional.
If this is your first time joining me, yes, that is a refrigerator in our bathroom. We at one time had 6 people living in our house, and it was really just easier to have a place to go and get our waters and things at night instead of having to get dressed to go and get a drink of water. So yeah, we keep this refrigerator in here, and it seems to have worked out really well.
It overflows. It's out of control. It's exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah. Out of control. I'm in love. Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing. But I don't really have.
So I'm cleaning the toilet with the Method Antibac. I'm going to spray it and let it sit. So anything that you do spray on the toilet, you should let it sit, even if it's bleach, and give it time to kill the germs. And also, after you clean the toilet, make sure you wash your hands. This is coming from a nurse germaphobe.
Phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart.
Now I'm just going to dust everything in the bedroom and just kind of freshen it up. There's not a lot of dust just because I did a deep clean a few days ago, but I like to keep things smelling good and fresh in the bedroom.
You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow.
This jewelry box that I'm holding, it belonged to my grandmother, and it holds a lot of her old jewelry, and so I like to keep it close. And also, one of these days I'm going to read that Robin Cook novel because he is one of my favorite medical drama thriller novelists.
The quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
That gadget on my husband's side of the bed is his CPAP, and you know, it's just a necessary evil, but I try not to mess around with it too much because I don't want to disturb the settings. And there's the distilled water jug that he uses for his CPAP. So there's a lot of parts and pieces that go with the CPAP itself.
Defend my beating heart. that we for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights.
Okay, y'all, I decided that I was going to get all the way under my bed and really get a good vacuum. So I had to get on the floor and lay down to really get under the bed because I'm so short. So yeah, that's what you see here, and the vacuum kept falling on me, the canister. So chalk it up to I was going to get it clean no matter what, right? You'll see the vacuum stop a few times. It's because I had to stop and get Maggie to quit eating the power cord to the vacuum cleaner. She was really fascinated with the vacuum.
All of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good in our worn out sneakers. When we were flying out the complications. Those were the days.
The pink gates are to keep Maggie from going under the bed, and we put that pillow near that bench so that she can jump up on the bench and get up on the bed, which she's learned to do without any problems. Okay, you're gonna see in a minute just why it took me a long time to get this filmed. Yep, but as soon as I saw her and I got onto her, she stopped. You'll see me vacuum, and you won't see me mop though because my camera ran out of battery and I was exhausted, so I waited for a little while and then I came back and mopped. But it did get done, y'all. So the cleaning is done. Yay! I am finished finally. And now I want to share a little something with y'all. So part of our collaboration was talking about how we unwind after a long day. And what I have just absolutely come to fall in love with is junk journaling. It's a lot like scrapbooking. And y'all, I've actually made this into a little small business because I love to do this and people like the end results. So yeah, and if you're interested in seeing some of my junk journaling, definitely go to my playlist for junk journaling and check it out, because all of them are different and they're handmade and everything is just absolutely so much fun for me. Okay guys, if you like this video, be sure to like it, and I hope that you'll subscribe and let's be friends. Don't forget to look at the playlist below and watch all of those wonderful videos that are part of this collab. And I just thank you so much for being a part of this video. Bye everybody.